Hey friends, I'm here today to share with you the unboxing of my Color Street kit, and I loved it so much. I've been using it for the past 2 weeks that I decided to become a consultant. And if you don't know, they're 100% nail polish strips, and they have the base coat, the color, and the top coat all in one. Super easy to apply, and let's see what we got. Oh, and also I am wearing Trend Spotted, and it comes with the accent nails and different designs. And then my sister is wearing the Flora Good Time as an accent nail with the Manchester Mauve as solids. Okay, and here's what's in the kit. Are you ready? Okay, for starters, we have solid colors. This one's Caribbean Coral, Fashion Progger, Havana Honey. This is a clear overlay. This is How's It Growing, and this can be put over solids and glitters. We have Tokyo Lights, Coral Bay, Long Time No See, Nuclear Fusion, Bordeaux Glitz, and then I have a French manicure set. This is Meet Me in Paris, and it's a two-part set where you put on the cream color tip first and then a clear overlay. And then I have two of the petites. These are great for kids and for people with small nails. It's tiny and shiny. And this is the ombre called Achieve Greatness. And then last but not least is the pedicure, which is How Sweet It Is. And then the starter kit also comes with 2 large files, 2 prep blocks, buffer and shine and file, and see what's the last, and polish. And then the kit comes with these twosies, which I would love to send you to try for free. You can put them on as an accent nail, and if you'd like to compare it to your regular nail polish, you can see how long these will last in comparison. This is the Giza Sands. It's a solid. This is the Glamsterdam glitter. This is Nuclear Fusion, an ombre glitter. This is Baton Rouge, and this is Tokyo Lights. So if you would like to try one, let me know and I'll get one sent out to you. Thanks for joining.